How to change Outlook password on phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch the browser on your device. And as you launch the browser, tap on the search bar and search for outlook.live.com. So let's just go for it. And what you simply need to do is make sure that you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account on Outlook, what you simply need to do is tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, as you tap on your profile account, select on the option of My Microsoft account. As you tap on My Microsoft account, it will lead us to a new page. This is select your account over here. And as you select your account, it will land us to a new page where you can simply see the options of your Microsoft account. So let's wait until it loads us to the new page. And as we do that, you can see different options over here. So simply tap on the security option over here under privacy. As you tap on security, you get the option of change password. So tap on change password, and as you do that, you'll get a code over here to verify yourself on your email ID. So you can simply tap on send notification, and you just have to verify yourself, and you'll be able to change your password on Outlook as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.